In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lovable platform with a beginner's overview. Whether you're a newcomer or someone looking to refresh your skills, this guide will provide you with everything you need to get started on this platform efficiently. Let's begin by navigating to the Lovable website. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. The Lovable platform offers a variety of tools and services designed to streamline your workflow, and you'll find that it's an intuitive platform once you get the hang of it. On the homepage, you'll see the Get Started button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the sign up page. For ease and security, I recommend selecting Continue with Google. This option is a convenient way to create an account without needing to remember another password. Once you're in, the fun begins. You'll find multiple features available, but today we are focusing on some essential ones. First, you should click on YouTube, which connects your YouTube channel with Lovable. This is particularly useful if you're a content creator or manage video content regularly. Next, look towards client work. If you're involved in managing projects for clients, this section is invaluable, helping you organize tasks and track progress efficiently. Don't forget to explore the content creator section as well. Here, the platform provides tools specifically tailored for creators, allowing for seamless content management and creation. Moving on, there's a website landing page feature that gives you the tools to create stunning landing pages easily, perfect if you're looking to build or enhance your online presence. The highlight function is another fantastic feature to explore. It helps in tracking key moments and essential aspects of your work, making it easier to review and refine. Adding team members is crucial for collaborative projects, so the next step is clicking on Invite Your Team. If you have team members, you can add their email addresses to bring them into the loop and ensure everyone is on the same page. Once all these settings are adjusted, it's time to click Finish. This integrates all your preferences and team settings, allowing you to smoothly proceed with your tasks. Now type in your prompt in the dedicated field. Enter details or questions you need assistance with. The platform is designed to respond intuitively. Once your input is complete, click the arrow pointing up to send your request. Be patient. It might take a few minutes for the platform to process your information thoroughly. Afterward, you can explore a sample or start editing based on the output provided. Remember, feedback is crucial for improvement. So finally, click on Submit Feedback to help the platform learn and offer better solutions in your future interactions. Now that you're familiar with the Lovable platform, it should be easier for you to manage your content and projects efficiently. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy creating.